Have you ever wondered what the halls of Erebor would feel like as a pair of socks? I feel like the Lonely Mountain would feel good on my feet. Let's find out. So this is bluefaced Leicester from Fossil Fibers. It's the first time I'm gonna spin bluefaced Leicester. I heard it's quite easy to spin. We'll find out. It's also the first time I order from Fossil Fibers. It's not sponsored. I just love the colors that they have, and I'm also a huge Lord of the Ring fan. So anything Lord of the Ring based is up my alley. This is, as I said earlier, the Halls of Erebor's Hall. So this is 4 ounce, which is about 113 grams, about, let's say 110 grams, because we're probably gonna lose some. Not the best spinner in the world. Yeah, so the plan I had for this was a fractal spin. So let's prep the fibers. Go. So we need to at least split it in half, and then split one of the half in halves again. Because this is going to be the first spin, one of the singles, and then the second one we want to repeat. So we want at least twice this, but smaller. So we need to split it. I think I'm gonna have one half, and then the second half will be split into thirds, I think. Something like that. Here we go, we got the first single, and our 3/3 for the second single. So yeah, hopefully they're equal. I don't have a scale, so we don't know. We'll find out at the end. I'm making a 2-ply SockYarn out of this. So let's pull out the spinning wheel and start spinning. Let's start with the first single. to announce that I have won at Bobbin Chicken. I wasn't sure at first, but the entire first bat fitted on my tiny bobbin. And for scale. So the first single is done. Now on to the second one. And we are done with the singles. I don't think I ever filled my bobbins this much. It was a very close call. Yeah, let's play them and see what the fractal looks like. This is it. We got our finished skein of 2-ply Fractal yarn. I really like it. It's a bit thick and thin here and there, but I think it's going to be really cute when I knit it into socks. Yeah, that's going to be the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.